In this video presentation, we will talk about Rizal in the field of science, especially in biology. We'll also know Rizal and his contribution in this field by presenting discovered species of different animals and understand their importance to the present time. Jose P. Rizal was a man of many talents and interests. For a man who lived only 35 years with his achievements. But did you know that Jose P. Rizal as a scientist is sketching animals and observing life as it happened in the nature habitats of Mount Makiling and Laguna Lake when he was a child? Jose Rizal started on the path that led to his adult life that was spent on scientific pursuit in medicine, biology, and human evolution.
Rizal was exiled to the Pitan soon after, where he spent 4 years. Rizal devoted himself to the study of nature during this time. Rizal was a passionate environmentalist. He collected countless species of birds, insects, butterflies, shells, snakes, and plants with the help of this Dapitan student. His shell collection was claimed to be the richest private conchology collection in the Philippines at the time. Rizal sent several specimens of animals, insects, and plants to a European museum for identification, driven by curiosity and a desire to contribute to the reservoir of scientific knowledge.
Rizal was a dedicated naturalist. With the help of his Dapitan pupils, he collected numerous species of birds, insects, butterflies, shells, snakes, and plants. His collection of shells was said to be the richest private collection of conchology in the Philippines during his time. It consisted of over 340 shells representing more than 200 species. He sent the various specimens they collected to the Ethnographic Museum in Dresden, Germany for proper identification. In exchange for the specimens he submitted, Rizal received books and medical instruments, as well as further advice on how to properly preserve these specimens.
First is the scientific name Draco rizali. It is a type of lizard also called as a flying dragon, one of the 3 famous discovered animals of Rizal. This lizard is only seen in tropical islands like Southeast Asia, which Philippines is a part of Southeast. Second is the scientific name Apogania rizali. This species is kind of small beetles. This beetle is also kind of peculiar beetle who found also in the Philippines. The third is the scientific name Stracophorus rizali. It is a very rare and strange species of frog. This species is a kind of a rare frog. It is an inhabitant of primary and secondary rainforest. And all of these animals were named after Rizal himself.
At the Pitan, Rizal showed the importance of valuing life in all its form and our country's natural riches. Neither injustice nor despair could stop him from living a full life that was offered alone to his country, simultaneously seeking nature's beauty and country's freedom.
In the end, Rizal is without a doubt the first to view himself and his motherland as a Filipino nation and to defend its independence from the colonizer. Rizal's self-sacrifice made him a national hero in the Philippines. He will live on the heart of the Philippine Revolution and national hero, and as the national hero of the Philippines, he will live in the heart of all Filipinos.